friends, today we are going to discussing about MSET paper which is conducted in 9th May 2019 on Telangana state. Here is given if determinant of x square plus 3x, x plus 1, x minus 3, x minus 1, 2 minus x plus 4, x minus 3, x minus 3, 3x is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a power x power 4. Then the value of a1 plus a3 plus 2 into a naught plus a2 plus a4 is dash. So given equation is a naught plus a1x plus a2x square a3x cube plus a4x to the power of 4 is equal to determinant of x square plus 3x, x plus 1, x minus 3, x minus 1, 2 minus x plus 4, x minus 3, x minus 3, 3x. First we substitute x is equal to 1 in this equation. X is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. So a naught plus a1x plus a2x is 1. a2x square, that is a2 into 1, plus a3 into 1 cube is 1, plus a4, that is equal to 1 square plus 3, that is 4. 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 1 plus 4 5, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, that is 3. So this total determinant value is equal to 28. Now we substitute, put x is equal to minus 1. So that is a naught minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 plus a4, that is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 3, that is minus 2, 0, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 plus 1 3, that is minus 1 plus 4, that is 3, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 4, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So this total determinant value is equal to minus 86. So this is the first equation and this is second equation. So now we do 1 plus 2, that is equal to, add these two equations. Here is plus a1 minus a1 cancel and plus a3 minus a3 cancel. That is a naught plus a naught, that is 2a naught plus 2a2 plus 2a4, that is equal to 28 minus 86, that is equal to minus 58. It is take 2 common, 2 into a naught plus a2 plus a4, that is equal to minus 58, and subtracting first equation minus second equation, that implies here is a naught cancelled and a2 cancelled, a4 cancelled, a naught plus a1 plus a1, that is 2a1, and a3 plus a3, that is 2a3, that is equal to 28 plus 86, that is equal to 114. So take 2 common, a1 plus a3, that is equal to 114. a1 plus a3 is equal to 57. This is the taken as fourth equation and this is third equation. Now 3 plus 4, that implies, so a1 plus a3 plus 2 into a naught plus a2 plus a4, that is equal to 57 minus 58, that is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. If x plus iy is equal to 1 plus I whole power 6 minus 1 minus I whole power 6. Then which of the following is true? First answer, x plus y is equal to 16, and second answer, x plus y is equal to minus 16, and third answer, x plus y is equal to minus 8, and fourth answer, x plus y is equal to 8. Here is given x plus iy value is given. First we find the value of 1 plus I. This 1 plus I multiplying and dividing by root 2 into 1 plus I, that is equal to root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2, that is equal to root 2 into 1 by root 2 means cos 45, that is cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Now 1 plus I whole to the power of 6 is equal to root 2 power 6 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power of 6. So root 2 power 6 means that is 2 cube is 8, plus this is applying Demey's theorem, that is cos 6 pi by 4 plus I sin 6 pi by 4, that is equal to 8 into cos 6 pi by 4. Cos 6 pi by 4 is, this is cos 3 pi by 2, that is 0, plus I into sin 6 pi by 4, this is sin 3 pi by 2, that is minus 1 into I, that is equal to minus 8I. Similarly 1 minus I whole to the power of 6, that is equal to plus 8I. So x plus iy is equal to 1 plus I whole power 6, the value is minus 8I, minus x 1 minus I whole power 6, that value is minus 8I, that is equal to minus 16I. Equating real parts, x is equal to 0, equating imaginary parts, y is equal to minus 16. Add these two equations, x plus y is equal to minus 16, that is the answer. So second option is correct answer. Find the value of I square plus I cube plus I power 4 plus up to dash dash I to the power of 4000. Here is given I square plus I cube plus I to the power of 4 plus up to dash dash I to the power of 4000. Add I and subtracting I for this equation, that is first term I plus I square plus I cube plus I to the power of 4 plus up to dash dash I to the power of 4000 minus I. This series is a GP series. Here common ratio is I square by I, that is I, and I cube by I square, that is I. Common ratio is equal to I square by I is equal to I cube by I square, that is equal to I. This series is GP series. So nth term T n is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Applying this formula, a value is I into r to the power of n, I to the power of n value is 4000 minus 1 by I minus 1 minus I. Here I to the power of 4000, I to the power of 4000, this is written as I to the power of 4 into 1000. I to the power of 4 is 1, 1 for 1000 is equal to 1. Substituting this value in this equation, I into 1 minus 1 by I minus 1 minus I, that is equal to 0 minus I, that is equal to minus I. This is the answer. 1 comma omega square are the roots of unity. Then the value of a plus b plus c into a plus b omega plus c omega square into a plus b omega square plus c omega is, here is given 1 comma omega square are the cube roots of unity, that is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and omega cube is equal to 1. A given a plus b plus c into a plus b omega plus c omega square a plus b omega square plus c omega, that is equal to a plus b plus c into multiplying these two, a into a square plus ab omega square plus ac omega plus ab plus b square omega cube, that is 1 plus bc omega square plus ac omega square plus bc omega power 4, that is omega, and c square omega cube, that is 1. So that is equal to a plus b plus c into a square, next we write the value of b square, next c square. Here is ab omega square, here is ab, take ab common, that is omega square plus omega, and bc take common, that is omega plus omega square, and ac take common, ac common, that is omega plus omega square, that is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square. Here is omega square plus omega, the value is minus 1, minus 1 into plus ab, that is minus ab. Here is also bc into omega plus omega square is minus 1, that is minus bc, next minus ac, that is equal to multiplying these two, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is the answer. If alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of the equation x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0, then alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha is dash. Here is alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. So given cubic equation is x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of the roots is equal to minus p, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to q, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus r. Now the given value is alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha is equal to multiplying these two, that is alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta square plus beta gamma into gamma plus alpha, that is equal to alpha beta gamma plus alpha square beta plus alpha gamma square plus alpha square gamma plus beta square gamma plus beta square alpha plus beta gamma square plus alpha beta gamma, that is here is alpha beta gamma and alpha beta gamma, that is equal to 2 alpha beta gamma. Take alpha beta common, that is alpha plus beta, and beta gamma common, that is beta plus gamma, and alpha gamma common, that is alpha plus gamma. Here is that is equal to 2 alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta into alpha plus beta. The alpha plus beta value is minus p minus gamma plus beta gamma into beta plus gamma minus p minus alpha plus alpha gamma into, that is minus p minus beta, that is equal to 2 alpha beta gamma plus into minus minus alpha beta p minus alpha beta gamma minus p beta gamma minus alpha beta gamma minus alpha gamma p minus alpha beta gamma. Here is 2 alpha beta gamma and minus alpha beta gamma and minus alpha beta gamma is cancelled, that is equal to, take minus p common, minus p into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma, that is equal to minus p into, this value is q and minus alpha beta gamma is minus r, that is equal to minus pq plus r, that is equal to r minus pq. This is the answer. The period of cos of x plus 8x plus 27x plus up to dash dash n cube x is dash. Here is given cos of x is written as 1 cube into x plus 8x is written as 2 cube into x plus 27 is written as 3 cube into x plus up to dash dash n cube x. Take x common, that is cos of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to dash dash n cube into x. Here is cos x period is equal to 2 pi. So cos of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to dash dash n cube, the value of that value is, that is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 into x. So period of this is, therefore period is equal to 2 pi by coefficient of x, that is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, that is equal to 2 pi into 4 by n square into n plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 2 pi into 4, that is 8 pi by n square into n plus 1 whole square. This is the answer. So sin square 3 plus sin square 6 plus sin square 9 plus up to dash dash sin square 84 degree plus sin square 87 degree plus sin square 90. This is equal to sin square 3 degree plus sin square 6 degree plus sin square 9 degree plus up to dash dash. So plus sin square 42 plus sin square 45 plus up to dash dash plus sin square 84 plus sin square 87 plus sin square 90 degree. So here is sin square 45 is 1 by 2 and here is sin square 90 is 1. Now that is equal to sin square 3 degree plus lost in second value, that is sin square 87 plus next value sin square 6 plus sin square 84 plus up to dash dash plus sin square 42 plus sin square 48 plus sin square 45 plus sin square 90. This value sin square 3 plus sin square 87. This sin square 87 is written as cos square 3, that is sin square 3 degree plus sin square cos square 3 degree plus Sine square 6 degree plus cos square 6 plus up to dash dash sine square 42 plus cos square 42 plus sine square 45 is value is 1 by 2 plus sine square 90 is 1. It is sine square 3 plus cos square 6. This value is 1 and sine square 6 plus cos square 6 is 1 plus up to dash dash sine square 42 plus cos square 42 is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Here is 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to dash dash. This 3 to 42 numbers is 14. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to dash dash 14 times. That value is 14 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is equal to 15 plus half. That is equal to 30 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 31 by 2. This is the answer. Sec of tan inverse y by 2. We take tan inverse of y by 2 is equal to taken as theta. That is tan theta is equal to y by 2. That means tan theta is equal to y by 2 means take right angle triangle. So this value is theta. This value is y and this value is 2. The hypotenuse is that is 2 square plus y square, that is 4 plus y square. Now the value of sec of tan inverse y by 2 is equal to sec of this value tan inverse y by 2 is taken as theta, secant theta, that is equal to secant theta means 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to under root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta is y by 2. That tan square theta means y square by 4. That is equal to under root of 4 plus y square by 4. This is the answer. In any triangle ABC, if A is to B is to C is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4, then capital R is to smaller value is dash. Here is given A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 4. Now we find first 2s. 2s is equal to A plus B plus C, that is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 9. Therefore S is equal to 9 by 2 and delta is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S value is that is 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 minus 2 into 9 by 2 minus 3 into 9 by 2 minus 4, that is equal to under root of 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 minus 2, that is 5 by 4, 5 by 2 and 9 by 2 minus 3, that is 3 by 2 into 9 by 2 minus 4, that is 1 by 2. Here is root 9 value is 3 into 5 into 3 15, root 15 by 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, root 16 value is 4. Delta is equal to 3 root 15 by 4 and small r is equal to delta by s, that is equal to delta value is 3 root 15 by 4 by s value is 9 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 4 into root 15 into 2 by 9. 3 times cancelled and 2 times cancelled, that is equal to root 15 by 6 and capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta, that is equal to A value is 2 into 3 into 4 by 4 into delta value 3 root 15 by 4. Here is 4 cancel, this 3 cancel, that is equal to 2 into 4 8 by root 15. Now capital R is to small r is equal to capital R by small r. Capital R value is 8 by root 15 by root 15 by 6, that is equal to 8 into 6 by root 15 into root 15, that is equal to 8 into 6 by 15, root 15 into root 15, that is 15. Here is 2 into 3 6, 5 into 3 15, that is equal to 8 into 2 16 by 5. Therefore capital R is to small r is equal to 16 is to 5. This is the answer. The set of all points that forms a triangle of area 15 square units with points 1 comma minus 2 and minus 5 comma 3 lies on. So area of the triangle is given, that is delta triangle of PAB. Area of PAB is equal to 15 square units. Now we take point Px comma y, and A point is given 1 comma minus 2 and B point is minus 5 comma 3. Area of the triangle is delta is half into modulus of x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3 is equal to 15. That is x1 is x minus 1 and x plus 5, y plus 2, y minus 3 is equal to 15 into 2, that is equal to 30. So determinant of this value is x minus 1 into y minus 3 minus x plus 5 into y plus 2 is equal to 30. So x into y, xy minus 3x minus y plus 3 into minus of xy plus 2x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 30. So that is equal to xy minus 3x minus y plus 3 minus xy minus 2x minus 5y minus 10 is equal to plus or minus 30. X here is xy plus xy minus xy, both are cancelled, minus 3x minus 2x, that is minus 5x minus 5 minus 5y, that is minus 6y plus 3 minus 10, that is minus 7 is equal to plus or minus 30. This is written as, take minus common, 5x plus 6y plus 7 is equal to plus or minus 30. So this is 5x plus 6y plus 7 is equal to plus 30, and 5x plus 6y plus 7 is equal to minus 30. So 5x plus 6y plus 7 minus 30, that is minus 23 into 5x plus 6y 7 plus 30, that is 37 is equal to 0. This is the answer. A line L makes intercepts small a and small b on the coordinate axis. The axes are rotated through an angle theta in the positive direction, keeping the origin is fixed. If the line L makes intercepts P and Q on the new coordinate axis, then 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to dash. Here is given first line L makes A and B on the coordinate axis. This is the line equation L. So coordinate small a is x intercept and small b is y intercept. So the equation of line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the first equation. And the axes are rotated through an angle theta in the positive direction of x axis. So same line makes an angle, same line makes intercepts. So here is theta is rotated. So same line makes intercepts p comma q on the coordinate axis. Therefore, the equation of the line is x by p plus y by q is equal to 1. This is the second equation. If the axes are rotated, the distance from origin to the first line and the distance from origin to the second line both are same. So distance from 0 comma 0 to first line and second line is same. So the distance from origin is, that is mod c by root of a square plus b square. That is, here c value is minus 1, minus of modulus by under root of 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. That is equal to minus 1 by under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So equating these two, under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to under root of 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. Squaring on both sides, 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. This is the answer. Okay, if m1 comma m2, which is m1 greater than m2, are the slopes of the lines which makes an angle 30 degrees with the line joining the points 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4. Here is given first line. This is the first line. This line making an angle 30 degrees with the line joining the points 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So take slope of first line. Slope of first line m1 is equal to m, and slope of second line, that is m2, is equal to slope of these 2 points, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 2 by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Now angle between these two lines is given, that is tan 30 degrees is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, that is equal to m1 value m minus m2 1 by 1 plus m into 1, that is m, that is modulus of. So take cross multiplication and squaring, that is 1 plus m whole square is equal to 3 into m minus 1 whole square. 1 plus m square is, that is 1 plus m square plus 2m is equal to 3m square plus 3 minus 6m. So 3m square minus m square, that is 2m square minus 6m minus 2m, that is minus 8m. 3 minus 1, that is 2 is equal to 0. Take 2 common. M square minus 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in m. Therefore m value is minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is minus b is 4 plus or minus under root of b square 16 minus 4ac, that is 4 by 2a is 2, that is 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 root 12. Root 12 value is 2 root 3 by 2. Therefore m is equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. Therefore m1 is equal to 2 plus root 3 and m2 is equal to 2 minus root 3, because here is given m1 greater than m2, that is 2 plus root 3 is greater than 2 minus root 3. Then the value of m1 by m2 is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Take rationalization. Rationalizing factor is 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. that is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 whole square, that is 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3 by 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1, that is 7 plus 4 root 3. Therefore m1 by m2 is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. This is the answer. If one of the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 bisects the angle between the positive coordinate axis, here is given pair of line is given. So that pair of coordinate axes, these are the coordinate axes. So given pair of lines is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So these pair of lines bisected by the line, that line is, this is the line, this line bisected the coordinate axis. So angle this is 45 degrees, that is y is equal to x. This y is equal to x line bisects the positive coordinate axis, that is equal to y is equal to x. Substituting the given equation in the pair of line, 2ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Substituting y is equal to x, that is ax square plus 2hx into y value is x plus by square, that is x square is equal to 0. Take x square common, a plus 2h plus b is equal to 0, that is a plus 2h plus b is equal to 0. From this equation a plus b is equal to minus 2h, squaring on both sides, that is a plus b whole square is equal to minus 2h whole square. Minus 2h whole square is 4h square. Therefore a plus b whole square is equal to 4h square. This is the answer. The equation of the pair of perpendicular lines passing through the origin and forming an isosceles triangle with the line. Here is given pair of perpendicular lines is given. This is the pair of perpendicular lines and passing through the origin. This is the origin 0, 0, and making isosceles triangle with this line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So equation of pair of perpendicular lines is written as ax plus by whole square minus tan square alpha into bx minus ay whole square is equal to 0. Here is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given. A value is 2, b value is 3 and c value is minus 6. Substituting in this equation and forming an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means this angle is 45 degree. So substituting alpha is equal to 45 degree in the given equation, that is 2x plus 3y whole square minus tan square 45 into 3x minus 2y whole square is equal to 0. Here is tan 45 is 1, tan square 45 is also 1, that is 2x plus 3y whole square minus 3x minus 2y whole square is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y whole square, that is 4x square plus 9y square plus 12xy minus 3x minus 2y whole square, that is 9x square plus 4y square minus 12xy is equal to 0. So that is 4x square plus 9y square plus 12xy minus 9x square minus 4y square plus 12xy is equal to 0. It is 4x square minus 9x square, that is minus 5x square, 9y square minus 4y square, that is 5y square, 12xy plus 12xy, that is 24xy is equal to 0. Take minus common. This is written as 5x square minus 24xy minus 5y square is equal to 0. This is the answer. If one of the diameters of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0 is a chord to the circle with center 2, 1, then radius of the bigger circle. Here is given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. Center of the circle is C1, center of the circle is 1, 3, and radius of the circle R1 is equal to under root of 1 plus 9 minus 6, that is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. This is the diameter of the given circle. This is the diameter of the given circle. This is the center of the circle C1 and center of the circle is C2. Now we find the radius of this circle, second circle. This is the bigger circle. So first we find the distance between C1 C2. C2 is given. Center of the second circle is C2 is equal to 2, 1. Distance between the centers C1 C2 is equal to under root of 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square, that is 2 minus 1 whole square is 1, 1 minus 3 whole square is 4, that is equal to root 5. Here the triangle is, so this is the triangle, this is C1 and this is C2, this is P. Now we find the distance C2. The triangle is right angle triangle. Applying Pythagoras law, that is C2P whole square is equal to C1P whole square plus C1C2 whole square, that is C1P. C1P is the radius of the first circle, that is 2 square plus C1C2, distance between the centers, that is root 5 whole square, that is equal to 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. So C2P is equal to root 9. So C2P is equal to 3. So radius of bigger circle is equal to 3. That is the answer. The line 3x minus y plus k is equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0 if k1 comma k2, where k1 less than k2 are the two values of k, then the equation of the chord of contact of the point k1 k2 with respect to the given circle is dash. Here is given circle equation is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0. Center of the circle is center minus 2, 3, and radius of the circle is under root of 4 plus 9 minus 3, that is equal to root 10. The given line 3x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0 touches the circle. If a line touches the circle, r is equal to d. That means radius is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the given line. So first we find d. D is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the given line, that is modulus of 3 into minus 2 minus 3 plus k by under root of 9 plus 1, that is equal to 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 3, that is minus 9, that is k minus 9 by root 10. The line touches the circle, that is r is equal to d. R value is root 10 is equal to k minus 9 by root 10 modulus. So k minus 9 is equal to root 10 into root 10, that is plus or minus 10. So k is equal to 9 plus or minus 10. So therefore k value is minus 1, 9 minus 10 is minus 1, and 9 plus 10, that is 19. Here is condition is given, k1 is equal to minus 1 and k2 is equal to 19 because k1 greater than k2. So the point is k1 comma k2, that is k1 is minus 1 comma 19. Now the equation of chord of contact. The equation of chord of contact. Chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. That is S1 is equal to 0 is x into minus 1 plus y into 19 plus 2 into x minus 1 minus 3 into x plus 19 plus 3 is equal to 0. So x into minus 1 minus x plus 19y plus 2x minus 2 minus 3x minus 3y minus 3 into 19, that is 57, plus 3 is equal to 0. So minus x plus 2x, that is x, 19y minus 3y, that is plus 16y. Here is minus 2 minus 57 minus 59 minus 59 plus 3, that is minus 56 is equal to 0. This is the answer. If y is equal to x plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x power 4 plus 1 into x power 8 plus 1, then limit x tends to minus 1 dy by dx is equal to dash. Here is given y is equal to x plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x to the power of 4 plus 1 into x to the power of 8 plus 1. Multiplying and dividing by this equation x minus 1 by x minus 1, that is y is equal to, here is x plus 1 into x minus 1, that is x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 into x power 4 plus 1 into x to the power of 8 plus 1 by x minus 1. So y is equal to, here is x square minus 1 into x square plus 1, that value is x power 4 minus 1, x power 4 minus 1 into x power 4 plus 1, that is x power 8 minus 1, x power 8 minus 1 into x power 8 plus 1, that is equal to x power 16 minus 1 by x minus 1. Now we take dy by dx, take derivation, dy by dx is equal to, this is u by v form, that is x minus 1 into x to the power of 16 derivative, that is 16 x to the power of 15 minus x to the power of 16 minus 1 into x minus 1 derivative is 1 by x minus 1 whole square, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to x minus 16 x power 5 into x, that is equal to 16 x to the power of 16 minus 16 x to the power of 15 minus x to the power of 16 plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Here is given limit x tends to minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to, substituting x is equal to minus 1 in this equation, 16 x power 16, that is equal to 16 minus 16 x to the power of 15, that is minus of minus 16 minus x to the power of 16, that is minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square, that is minus 1 whole square. Here is 16 plus 16, 32, minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, that is 32 by minus 2 whole square is 4, that is equal to 4, 8 times cancelled, that is equal to 8. Answer, that is the answer. If y is equal to under root of x plus under root of y plus under root of x plus under root of y plus up to dash dash infinite, then dy by dx is equal to, here is given y is equal to under root of x plus y under root of y plus, this value again is taken as y, so that is y is equal to under root of x plus under root of y plus y 2y. So take squaring on both sides, that is y square is equal to x plus under root of 2y. So y square minus x is equal to under root of 2y. Again squaring on both sides, that is y square. So y square minus x whole square, that is equal to y to the power of 4 plus x square minus 2xy square is equal to 2y. Take differentiation on both sides. Y to the power of 4 derivation is 4y cube into y dash plus x square derivation 2x minus 2 into x into y square derivation 2y y dash plus y square into x derivation is 1, that is equal to 2y derivation 2y dash. Take 2 common, that is 2y cube into y dash plus x minus 2xy y dash minus y square is equal to y dash. Take y dash common, that is 2y cube minus 2xy minus 1 is equal to y square minus x. Y dash is equal to y square minus x by 2y cube minus 2xy minus 1. This is the answer.